Dr. Chait, Kinetic Rehab and Spine. Welcome to our channel. Click the link below to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Join today, join the movement, gain access to insiders' education on how you become a better you. Welcome to your destination of health and wellness. All the best. Simply Avante. Always forward. Dr. Chait here. I want to show you an L5-S1 distraction technique. It's a myofascial technique. What we're going to do is we're going to hold the posture for about 10 breaths, which equates to about 60 seconds. All right, so I'm only going to hold the breath for I'm only going to breathe like 3 breaths initially, but continue to about 10 breaths. All right, so the posture looks like this. We want to make sure we get as close to the wall as possible. I'm going to take my shoes off. Okay, got my Superman socks on. Your butt is going to be as close to the wall as possible. From here, if you start feeling your butt's raising up, try to sink it down. If you need to move back a little bit, that's okay. Now from here, you want to turn your toes in and pull the feet up. What you're going to feel is a strong stretch from your feet all the way to your back. Now from here, tuck your chin down and almost like look between your legs. Then you're going to raise your arms up. Now this is called internal rotation. You're going to external rotate the arms and you're going to reach up. And what I want you to do is I want you to keep that tension there the whole entire time, looking down between your legs, feet are turned in, toes are pulled up towards you, and you just want to breathe from the nose. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Perfect. The first time I learned this stretch was from an osteopath named Guy Voyer, and it is phenomenal for loosening up L5-S1 compression in the spine. Enjoy that stretch. If there's any pain with this, please call the office at 201-327-1990. You might need some tweaks. You might need to have a consult with us to assess your nervous system. All right, good luck with this. All the best.